next, next parentheses, next parentheses, next parentheses. Oops. Let's our last name be words and letters. Next parentheses, next parentheses, next parentheses, next parentheses. Let's our last name be words and letters. Let's our last name be words and letters. Let's our last name be words and letters. Oh yeah, semicolon to end the statement. Semicolon, 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 semicolon. Okay, this is for me, so this is just so I don't forget after a while. All right, in the system folder, system folder, system folder, all the stuff that's going out to the screen, going out to the screen, going out to the screen, and print ln parentheses, print ln parentheses, print ln parentheses, the thing that actually puts stuff out on the screen, the thing that actually puts stuff out on the screen, the thing that actually puts stuff out on the screen. Okay, and semicolon. All right. Oh, also, this by itself isn't the whole thing. Not the whole thing, not the whole thing, not the whole thing. Sometimes it is, but in this particular case, this line is the first part of this. This first line is the first part of this. First line is the first part of this. First line is the first part of this. So, the whole thing, whole thing, whole thing. First line, first line, first line. Okay. In the system folder, the thing that lets us put stuff out to the screen, put it all on the screen, put it all on the screen, put it all on the screen, and everything in parentheses is going on the screen. Everything in parentheses is going on the screen. Everything in parentheses is going on the screen. Same thing as last lesson. Everything in quotation marks is going to be exactly how you see it in quotation marks. Hello, 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 backslash n, insert, insert, insert. Then F name, whatever you put for the first name. So F name is this, F name is this, F name is this. F name is Andre. Input, put in your first name, type Andre, bam. Blah, blah, blah. Put in your first, input first name, I type Andre, bam. Blah, blah, blah. This puts on the screen. Input your first name, type Andre, bam. Blah, blah, blah. Input your first name, appears on the screen. I typed in Andre, Andre appears on the screen. Okay? And that's F name. Remember, the name, name, name. F name, F name, F name. And F name and L name is like a reference. So the name is important. It's not just like a random name, just so you personally know it. Name is for so the computer knows where it is and what it is. Name is so the computer knows where it is and what it is. Name is so what the computer knows where it is and what it is. So this whole first part is so the computer knows where it is and what it is, and this is all like this actually lets us like type stuff in and do like all the programming stuff. So location, 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 actual programming and work, work, work. Okay, so F name, type blah 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 Andre, and then L name, L name, L name, L name. All this is L name. Remember, all this L name, all name, L name, and blah blah blah. Input last name, bam. Input blah blah blah. I type pink heart, bam bam bam. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Blah 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 blah. You do some stuff and this pops up. You do some stuff, this pops up. You do some stuff and this pops up. Okay? And in order to find this, L name is all this. L name is all this. L name is all this. L name is this. And this is this. So bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. And that was just so you can memorize it. So, oh no, oops. L name is this. L name is right here. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. Okay, I'll start that all over real quick. Since you memorized the other thing. Hello. Hello. Backslash n. Enter. Enter, enter, enter. F name. Blah blah blah. Andre. F name. Blah blah blah. Andre. F name. Blah blah blah. Andre. And L name. Last name. Last name. Last name. Blah blah blah. Pink card. Last name. Blah blah blah. Pink card. Last name. Blah blah blah. Pink card. Okay. And the plus is concatenation. Basically, plus is just plus allows you to combine all this. Plus allows you to combine all this. Plus allows you to combine all this. So this, hello, 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 plus F name, bam, plus allowed Andre to be here with hello.